Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hyperroll or how to play hyperroll and TFT or Teamfight Tactics on your PC. So the first thing that you would like to do, of course, is just go and open your Teamfight Tactics game or TFT on your PC. So if you have it downloaded, this will be great, but if you don't, you'll have to go and download it through the right client. And if you don't even have the right client, you'll have to go and open whatever browser you're going to use to download that. For me here, in my case, I'm actually using Brave. But of course, in your case, you can use whatever browser you could be possibly working or using. So once it's open, you'll have simply to go and type download League of Legends, download Teamfight Tactics, download Right Client. All of those three will be available options. And once you do that, of course, the right client will be downloaded. So make sure to go and open it up. Once it's opened, you'll find yourself on a home screen or main screen like this. Here, as you can see, you'll find the games that is already downloaded into your PC. So if you have your teamfight tactics here, that will be cool, but if you don't, you will have to scroll down a bit until you find this old game. Make sure here to click at teamfight tactics, and once you are at this page, make sure to click at the three dots at the bottom left. Once you click on it, as you can see, you'll have this three option. You'll be able to download it in League of Legends in your PC, or through the App Store if you're using an iPhone, or even through the Google Play if you're using an Android. Once you choose where you want to download it or from where, you will find it normally here and just click on it to open it up. Of course, they will actually ask you to log in into your account. So if you have an account, just go and log in into it. But if you don't, you'll have to go and create an account through the browser again. You'll have to create an account, a Riot Games account. So make sure to go and create one at their website. So just type create Riot Games account or create League of Legends account or TFT account. It will take you into the same link. Once you created your account, you'll find yourself on something like this, which is the client of League of Legends. And here you'll have just to click at play at the top right corner or left corner, and here you'll find Teamfight Tactics or TFT. Here, just choose Hyper Roll, click as confirm, and now you can actually just find a match and wait until you find an enemies to play against, and you will be good to go. Of course, you will find a pop out like this. Let me just show you. Once you found the match, make sure to accept to get into your hyperlore, and if you don't want to get into it, you can decline and you'll be good to go. So this is actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.